Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. I'm Ochaki Douglas. Basically, I'm going to take you briefly today through introduction of Excel. We have learned a lot. We have learned how we can mail merge, how we can create table of contents, and many others. I know if you have been following my channel, you have really learned a lot from my presentations. So let's open Excel and we see what we can do in Excel. Basically the features in Excel, and just perform some little task in Excel. Now after opening Excel, you go to blank workbook. We open our blank workbook, then we look at the features in Excel. So we can see up here where my pointer is moving is what we call the taskbar. This is the toolbox. Actually, this is the toolbox. Then down here is what we call the taskbar. Now, Excel is quite unique, different from Word. In Word, we call a page, but in Excel, any new document, we call it a sheet. So this is our sheet 1. This is our sheet 1, even as indicated. Where my pointer is, you can even see it's indicated sheet 1. And then this small box where the plus sign is what we call a cell, and a cell is where a row meets with column. Now which one is our row and which one is the column we are talking about? Row is denoted by the alphabetical letters, like we have highlighted. That's what the row I'm talking about. That's a row in Excel. And then actually this one is our column, denoted by alphabetical letters. What I've highlighted is our column, and then the row are denoted by numbers. What I've highlighted, what you can see is what is the row. So now a cell is where a column meets with a row. So that's briefly some features which you have to know when dealing with Excel. And then we also have another thing to know about what we call the formula bar. So this is the formula bar. You can type in any formula in Excel from that bar, which we call the formula bar. And then this one is what we call the cell reference, where we are having the A3, the pointer is, that's a cell reference. So cell reference is basically where an active cell is indicated. Like if you have a cell which is active, it will be indicated in the cell reference. So active cell is where you see this square box is. When a cell is active, you'll see the square box bolded. That shows that your cell is active. So basically those are some of the features in Excel. So now how can you insert a cell? Like you want to insert a new cell, or you want to insert a column in Excel. Let me say I want to insert a column between C and D. What will I do? I will just come here. I'll come here on D, then I click on it. I right click, then I will say insert. Then you see there is a cell inserted. So that's how we can insert. Alright? Actually, that's it. Inserting, if you want to insert a column, is just simple. You highlight, then you left click, you come to insert. Now the same applies for column. If you want to insert, you click on where you want to insert, then you right click. You'll find all the options there for inserting column, what and what, so many other features. If you want to delete, you do the same. Now, having looked at that, also there is if you want to add another sheet in your Excel, you come to where there is this plus sign, you add. Are you seeing? After clicking on it, even here you can see now we are having 2 sheets in our document in Excel. So that's basically how we do it. We have now the first sheet being that, then we have another sheet is that. So that's how we play around with Excel, and that's really the basic things which you have to know when handling Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much guys for giving me your attention and keeping to follow me on my YouTube channel. We are going to end this with this tutorial, but I beg you to follow subscribe for more videos on my channel. You comment and then you don't forget to like the video. Thanks for your time. Bye.